what's up, Tingles? Welcome back again to our kid channel. Once again, this is Tang, your ordinary Filipina. And for today's video, I will going to show you our new home. Yes, we will having a house tour for today's video. Slowly come back for me also. So, this is our outside area, a playground for my two kids, and also a little camping is possible here in the evening. It's very warm here and so cool. Come on, join me. I will show you in our big home. Big because we are a big family, and also we have a big love for each other. It's not the structures, but it's the person or the family inside our house. That's what is we called our new home. So let's go. So as you can see, Tinkles, we're now here in our terrace where we always stay and play with my sons also. So you see we have enough space here. So now let's go inside. So let's go, Tinkles. Join me inside while I will show you our living area. Come here. Don't be shy. It's just me, Tang, your ordinary Filipina. Come here. Wow, it's so dark. I need to open the light first. So come here, join me. So here, Tinkles, this is our living area. And yes, it's quite big than expected, but you know, it's really comfortable here. The feeling, the atmosphere is very relaxing, you know. So enjoyed our living area. That is the first side because we also have here another side. Yeah. And that is there is our table for eating. That's the kitchen area, and you will know that later on in the part of our video. So as of now, yeah, so as you can see, we have a swing here because my daughter is sleeping there. And yeah, don't mind the baby stuff because you know I have like a baby. So yeah, this is our living area. Quite big, right? So now it's quite big, right? And then it's not hot, it's just cool, warm, not really cool, it's only warm because of the ambience here in our place is very nice also. And for now, let's go to our master's bedroom. So that door behind me is our master's bedroom. So let's go. Come here, come. Oh yeah, you will follow me. So now, Tinkles, we are here now in the master's bedroom. So come in, don't be shy. Just join me to have a look in our master's bedroom. Yeah, this is our master's bedroom. Come in. This is our master's bedroom. Yeah, it's big, of course, and it's warm also here. Actually, we have not much things inside because you know it's just 1 month ago since we transferred here in our new home. And now I will tour you in our, so now have a look in our master's bedroom first. Ta-da! Yeah. Now we have also here our own bathroom, toilet and bath. So come here, let's check. So this is our bathroom, where as you can see, we also have our bathtub and a very big space for our toilet, of course. So this is the master's bedroom with bathroom with bathtub. So now we go outside and let's visit the two more rooms. So this is the second bedroom, and this is the second bedroom. We're considered as a guest room, but so we still have no bed here. Nothing at all. All is our stuff around. Yes. So as you can see, we also have the altar there. So have a look around. It's also big, big. And before I forgot, if I didn't mention it, this house we're only renting, and there is two bathroom and three bedrooms. So I already show you the master bedroom and the first bathroom, and now we are here in the second bedroom. So now I will go to the other bedroom, the third one. So this is the third bedroom, Tinkles. So as you can see, there's a foam here around. There's no bed. The bed is only in the master's bedroom. So sooner or later, we're gonna ask for it, or maybe we will buy our own to provide every room's a bed. But as of now, just enjoy looking around. Ta-da! So here we are outside the back of our house, and yeah, there's more gardens there. And this is our dirty kitchen. This is the outside kitchen. And I will first store you here before the kitchen inside the house. So this is our dirty kitchen. Yeah. And there is my son. Kuya, say hi. He's enjoying the water. He's enjoying playing in the water. I don't know, water is really his gun life for him. He really enjoyed stay in the water. Dirty kitchen. And now I will go inside and show you the kitchen inside our house. So Tinkles, this is our kitchen area here. As you can see, it's not much space here, but it's enough for us, of course. And ta-da! So I will tour you in our con. I will show you our stuff. So we have here, mm, we have here the oven, our dispenser, of course, and some stuff here around. So we have our oven, our dispenser, and we have our milk, coffee, sugar, and everything. The rice cooker, for sure, rice is life, so we should have this one. And yeah, as you can see, that's all for today's Tinkles. I hope you enjoyed watching our videos. So for those who are asking how much we pay this, we only pay this 15 months, 15 months, 15,000 every month. And take note, we have a bathtub and we have a cozy home. So I hope you consider to give a like, comment, and leave a subscribe. Thank you so much, Tinkles. I hope you enjoyed watching this new video of mine. See you again in our next vlog. Say bye-bye, Kuya. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.